Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights (MCPCR) has taken up suo motu cognizance on the incident of killing of a 15-year-old minor, namely Malemnganba'S, son of late L. Ibocha at Moirangkampu, Awang Laikai on February 2025 by a known gunman. A team of MCPCR visited the deceased family and interacted with family members and representatives of Joint Action Committee. The Commission has recommended Commissioner or Director of Social Welfare, Deputy Commissioner Imphal East District, Director CAF and PD, and Superintendent of Police Imphal East to take actions and demanded for befitting punishments of culprit after prompt investigation. The Commissioner also demanded for ex gratia compensation to family of deceased persons at the earliest, and also to provide appropriate social security schemes like old age pension or widow pension to the mother of the victim, who is a widow. MCPCR further demanded subsidized PDS ration under CAF and PD to the family, and also for educational sponsorship facility for the youngest sister of the victim, who is currently a Class 6 student.